Real quick before I forget, I think I came up with the hook for the summer song I'm writing. I'm literally just about to start setting up, and I was like trying to get a feel for like, you know, the vibes and stuff, and I was just like, I got it. Let me record it real quick. So this is what I got. So literally I was thinking, I'm like, Signs of Summer. So the name of the song is probably gonna be Signs of Summer, and then it would be like, smells like summer, you know, something like that, because it smells like summer, you know, or it feels like summer, it sounds like summer, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. It'll be like, oh, so I guess that's what the hook is gonna be like. Describe something that happens during summer. That's the sound of summer, you know, like a boogie board splashing in the water, or like cracking crab legs and dipping it in butter. That literally rhymed. So now I have to make, okay, here we go. Let me see. Oh my God. I love this. I love this single spark of inspiration. Y'all need to go on Epcot. Y'all need to go to Epcot, and y'all need to ride on Figment so you can spark your imagination. Splash a boogie board heading in the water like some. Oh, what is it? So it's like, splash of the boogie board heading in the water, dipped in the butter. Oh my God. So it's like, hold on, real. Some of the boogie boards, water, and the cracked legs dipping in the butter. Okay, so what else? So that was sound. We did sound. What's next? It's the smell of sunblock and mosquito repellent. The cracked legs, dip it in the butter. Smells like repellent. Smells like sunblock. I'm gonna try it real quick. Anyways, look. This is look. You see that? That's summer in Florida right there. That's mosquito bites. Look at that. Look at the comparison. Just for comparison reasons. You see that bump? Look at that bump. That's mosquitoes. I got hit real hard on Sunday. But anyways, can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Hear the grab leg crack, then dip them. Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Hear the crab leg they crack, then dip in butter. Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Hear the crab legs getting cracked and dipped in butter. Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Hear the crab legs get cracked and dipped in butter. Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Can you hear the crab legs cracked and dipped in butter? Alright, we're gonna keep it like that. That sounds better. Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Can you hear the crab legs cracked and dipped in butter? Okay, so how about can you smell that SPF about to hit your skin? Can you smell that? I was gonna say, can you smell that deep woods so you don't get bit? But that's just too specific to Florida. And now it's just getting too campy. And we don't go camping. Sunblock is more relatable because not everyone is sweet for mosquitoes like yours truly. And it's not funny, it's not cute, it's irritating. I wish mosquitoes didn't flock to me. Like, that's not fun. I'm like, oh, what's up, guys? Oh, I love sporting events. Oh, this outdoor concert was a great idea. No, that's not fun. It's not funny either. Okay, I figured it out. I know what the next line is gonna be. Can you smell that passion fruit mojito? Perfect with the mint. Let me tell you something. I've recently become a mojito aficionado. And it's funny because I'm always looking for that drink that I really enjoy drinking. And I'm just like, I like this, but it's missing this. I like this, but it's too sweet. I like this, but it's too bitter. I don't care for this. I don't care for that. This is missing this. This could have used this. And I had a passion for mojito. And I was like, okay, so this is what I'm appreciating. This is what it's about. I think my only trepidation with mojitos was the mint because, you know, I want to feel like I'm brushing my teeth when I'm drinking. But surprisingly enough, you're not chewing on the mint, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. But yeah, mojitos are kind of my thing. But I don't actively go ordering mojitos. People around me order mojitos, and I'm just like, I'm gonna try some beer mojito. I'll stick to my beer. I don't think I'm ready to become a mojito person yet. Okay, so I just had another idea. Because the song is inspired by reggaeton vibes, I think it's only right that the second hook is in Spanish. Now the question is, do I say the same thing, just translate it, or do I say something else? And that's what I'm... Ooh, this is what I love about creating, because you get creative. And because I'm an independent artist, and my only intention is to release music that makes me feel good, and that I can express myself and connect with people. This is a song about the summer. People love summer. I'm gonna write whatever the fuck I want about it, you know? Yeah. Okay, here we go. So, we got late night sunsets, talking with your friends, laughing all night long, hope it never ends. And then it's something, something, something. That's what feels like summer. And that's the hook. So I need one more bar that rhymes with that's what feels like summer. And that's the hook. So, okay. So since I live in Florida, obviously, we're going to add the fact that it rains because it does rain every day during the summer. Not every day, but it's been raining the last couple of weeks. But we still work our way around it. So the line is, it rains and it stops. It rains and it stops and it gets a little hotter. Something, something, something. Cause it feels like summer. Damn it. Alright. We're almost there, we're almost there. Late night sunset, talking with your friends, laughing all day long, hope it never ends. Rain, then it stops, then it gets a little hotter. That's what sounds like, that's what looks like, that's what feels like summer. Oh, we did it! I did it, y'all. I mean, what did you do? What did you do? Can you hear the boogie board splashing in the water? Can you hear the crab legs cracked and dipped in butter? Can you smell that SPF about to hit your skin? Can you smell that passion fruit mojito with the mint? Late night sunsets, talking with your friends, laughing all day long, hope it never ends. Rain, then it stops, then it gets a little hotter. That's what sounds like, that's what looks like, that's what feels like summer. Hey. And that's our starting point. That's actually our continuing point, right? Yeah, because we got the beat down, we got the hook down. Now we just gotta spit a couple of verses about how much we like the summer, you know? And who doesn't love summer? This is where I'm gonna end the video right now. Once again, if you have suggestions about what you like to do during the summer, please leave them in the comment section below. You already know that somewhere in there I'm gonna sneak in something about going to Disney because we go to Disney. I'm probably gonna talk about cruising because we go on cruises. And yeah, I love y'all once again. Happy birthday to my little sister Jackie. You the best, girl. You the best.